at the village. Today is a very busy day, that's why I haven't done a good intro. But today we're building up a new BMX bike. I am in Australia with my wife Kelsey. We got in 2 days ago, and yesterday I got the chance to go to BMX International, pick myself up a new ride, and today we are building it up. This is the village skate park. They have an outdoor section and the best indoor section. It has absolutely everything you need, including the resi, the foam pit, and all the transfers. But today we're not here to ride, we're here to build up a brand new jet fuel bike. My damn wallet fell out of my pocket. Chris Courtenay, you've done something amazing, mate. Let's get to building up a bike. I don't know if Chris is here, but I see his caddy, so he should be around. But here is what we're building up today. We have Jet Fuel Wizard 2018, magical forks, Myth handlebars, we got some jet fuel wheels, that's for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Australia Day. We got some prizes and goodies to give away. Oh, we're gonna have a good time this weekend. We've already had an acco with the box. I brought you a gift.
Oh, get out. Hey.
Look who I'm with.
What up?
Chris Courtenay in the house.
Yeah.
Hot as shit here in Australia.
It's cool.
But seriously, Chris, how the fuck did you end up with this place?
I wing it. Everything I do, I wing it. If you trust yourself and you believe in yourself, run with it because it's in your gut. That's what's going to get you over the line.
3 tips to run a successful skate park.
Listen to the kids will be number one. They're your customers, so they're number one, always. Number 2 would be patience. Like I'm a pretty patient person. Good things do come to those who wait. And number 3, don't be afraid to get hands on.
Get amongst it, boys, get amongst it. This is what I grabbed yesterday from BMX International, and whatever we don't build, we'll give away to the kids at the jam, and let's start building it up.
Let's sort it out.
All right, we're building this up.
Jet fuel forks or jet fuel forks?
Or black forks.
2 to 1, jet fuel it is.
Jet fuel. Are we gonna try and put all this red stuff on this jet fuel bike, like these wheels and stuff, or are we just gonna stick to black and jet fuel wheels on a jet fuel bike?
Jet fuel it is.
Jet fuel everything?
Yep.
First thing you need, grease. BMX bikes love the grease. Don't they, Chris?
Yep. You need it.
So what's 3 annoying things about owning a skate park?
Having a shop open 7 days a week, 11 hours a day is time consuming. So you just got to allocate your time quite wisely. Number 2, kids that don't pick up their rubbish. I don't like you guys. Pick it up. Thieves. I don't tolerate it here. No stealing. Just go home and do it.
Remember last year I was here, somebody stole an iPad?
Yeah, I got it back.
You got it back?
Yeah, 3 hours later.
I remember that. That was a big ordeal. Don't you come take our iPads. Don't touch them. Inside the village store, this is all the parts, clothing, van shoes, fist gloves, seats, cranks, sprockets, frames. You want it, the village has it. Look, even Josh Irvine's company, Stance.
Looks so sick. Are you really giving this away?
Sure am, mate. You want to win it?
Yes. Hell yes.
All you can do is subscribe to the channel. It's as simple as that. I'm waiting with proper little edit sections throughout the video, just like in sections, but for the first like 30 seconds it'll be like finish more. I've got a mad job for you. I don't like doing chains, brakes, and wheels. Brock Haldeman. How often do you come into a bike shop and just run into another pro? Everyone, go subscribe to his channel. He's got 7K.
7K.
So if you're on my channel, you're not on Brock's, jump on over. It's right there. Hit a button.
You won't be
Subscribe.
disappointed.
He's got cleared music. I don't. Oh, just jammy fingers, so good. Oh. I'm going to take a little bit of a break from filming, just overworking on the bike. I'm going to come out to the skate park and try and get some filming clips of the boys. That's one of the kids that came from South Korea. He's staying in a hotel down the street. He's here for 4 weeks. They don't have a car. 3 of them are staying in a hotel and they ride here every day. That's commitment. Nice one.
Oh, thank you.
You should flare this one.
Oh, very scary.
Huh?
Oh, very scary.
Very scary?
Oh,
Yes, yes, let's do it. No excuses, come on. I'm trying to make him do a flare on the wood. He said, mouthpiece, mouthpiece, I need mouthpiece. Perfect, perfect. That's it. Let's go. Real one. Let's do the real one. Do it. Do it. Send it. Yeah! Woo! Yeah, boy. Dude. So sick, bro.
that was so good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I know.
Oh. Oh.
That was so good.
Oh, thank you. So I believe he did all that because of this guy right here. He did a perfect flare how-to yesterday. The boys watched it. They don't understand any English, but they pulled it today.
Yeah.
So perfect. Subscribe.
Yeah. Been teaching him the skills.
You have.
Yeah.
Did it transfer?
Was that good?
What?
How long you had the hyper for, mate?
Nah, I just arrived. Week ago from Czech Republic.
You're from Czech Republic?
Yeah.
Nice. Good to meet you.
Yeah.
So, time to go back and, oh, that didn't slide at all. Time to go back and work on my bike, I guess. No more stuffing around.
Oh, thank you.
The only real stuff up I did today was wear a white t-shirt. Chris Courtenay just informed me he never wears white t-shirts anymore.
This was white.
It was white. So I only brought 3 shirts to Australia and now I've only got 2. Rid of these suckers. I don't even know why I put them on. See, that's what happens when I work on my own bike. Do you guys run flanges or do you take the flanges off your grips? I take it off because when I do tuck no handers, I come back and I always seem to grab the flange or a bar spin, grab the flange, so no flanges for me. This, on the end of here, Kelsey, is a flange. So we cut the flange off. Strange word, flange? We're flangeless now. Again?
Can you hear anything?
Can you? Go again. Hey, boys. Hey, boys, keep it down, would you?
Right.
Whoa.
Damn, that sounds good.
Oh, she is dialed.
That is dull.
That is it. Ready. Ooh, she feels good.
Digging it. Flare the resi.
Flare the resi?
Yeah.
I'll flare the real shit.
Oh.
I thought this was the spine. I gotta ride here more often, eh?
Yeah. Well, you got a bike now. For now. Till you got to give it away.
What do you think of the jet fuel beast?
Oh, it's a bit, I don't know, it's a bit fire. It's pretty, it's not as good as a total, but.
Oh! Brock Haldeman, follow his YouTube channel. He is a beast! Ooh, thanks, mate.
Merry Christmas, bro.
Merry Christmas. In February. Alright guys, you know the drill. If you like today's video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, go over to the village, hit subscribe on theirs, and thank you for building me bike.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
He builds me bikes every single year, so if you come to Australia, you need a bike built, get over to the
Got you
village.
sorted every time.
Cheers, homie.
See you next year.
See ya.